Hello, first graders, and welcome to your optional vocabulary job for today. Listen closely to this story as I read it aloud, and watch as the vocabulary words pop up on the screen in front of you. The Tortoise and the Hare. This story is about a desert tortoise and a hare. The hare is also known as a jackrabbit because it is always running around really fast. This hare was extra fast, and he knew it. "I am as fast as lightning," he said. "No animal in the desert habitat is as fast as me." The tortoise mainly took things more slowly. He moved at his own pace and was proud of it. One day, tired of the hare bragging about his speed, he said, "Hare, you are fast indeed. But I would like to race you anyway." The hare laughed and laughed. "I will certainly beat you in a race," he said. "You could search your whole life and never find a faster opponent." The tortoise insisted. So the tortoise and the hare set up at the starting line. The other animals of the desert, the prairie dog, the coyote, the rattlesnake, the scorpion, and all the others gathered to watch. The rattlesnake called, "Get ready," and the coyote gave a howl to start the race. The hare started off like a shot. He was so fast that he bent the stems on the plants nearby. The tortoise went off at his usual steady pace. After 2 minutes, the hare stopped and looked back. He was so far ahead that he could not even see the tortoise behind him. "That silly tortoise will never catch up with me," he thought. "I will just take a rest and finish the race later." So the hare sat down by a cactus and soon fell asleep by dreaming about carrot ice cream. He slept so well that he didn't notice the tortoise slowly plodding by. When the hare woke up, he quickly finished the race, but was shocked to find the tortoise already across the finish line. All of the animals in the desert cheered when the prairie dog handed the tortoise the trophy. The coyote reminded the hare that there are times to set a fast pace, but slow and steady wins the race. All right, friends, I hope that you enjoyed this story. Have fun!